How to change your video format to HEVC on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch your video encoding format directly from your camera settings. First, open the camera app on your Android device. After that, tap the menu icon at the bottom, the one that looks like four dots forming a square. From there, select Settings from the options that appear. At this point, once you're inside camera settings, scroll down until you find the Video section. In the next step, tap on Advanced Video Options right under it. Following this, look for the High Efficiency Videos toggle and tap it to turn it on. Once done, when this is enabled, your camera will record videos in HEVC format, which takes up significantly less storage space compared to the standard H.264 format, while still maintaining great video quality. Finally, if you ever need to switch back to H.264, simply come back to this same setting and turn the toggle off. Keep in mind that HEVC files may not be supported on all platforms and older devices, so it's worth keeping that in mind before sharing your videos. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.